the stomach bouncing all around. Cause the bebop stork was about to arrive. Mama gave birth to the hand jive. Baby walk when I milked the cow. When I was 3 I pushed the plow. While chopping wood I moved my legs and started dancing while I gathered eggs. The town folk clapped when I was on the fire. Heard I dance them all, he's a born hand jive.